Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. This one-piece skid plate will fit on a 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150. This plate is a great way to give added protection to your truck. It is incredibly durable and easy to install. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. To start, use a 5/16 socket to remove the 4 factory screws on the OEM skid plate as shown. Then, set aside this hardware for later reinstallation, and discard the factory skid plate. Next, remove the 2 factory brackets on each side of the vehicle. Once the brackets are removed, we will use the factory hardware to loosely install our custom brackets in the same position. Ensure the bracket with the longer brace is installed on the driver's side of the truck. Next, install 2 spring nuts and a T-bolt in these positions as shown. Then remove the 2 factory bolts from the front of the truck. Set this hardware aside for later reinstallation. With the first part of this installation complete, we will now begin installing our skid plate. To start, move the skid plate into place as shown, and then loosely reinstall all removed factory bolts to hold it in place. Once the skid plate is in place, secure the T-bolt with a flat washer, lock washer, and nut. Ensure the skid plate is placed on the inside of the brackets as shown. Next, install a spring nut onto the right and left holes of the skid plate as shown. You should hear a distinct snap when the spring nut is installed into the hole. Once the spring nuts are in place, proceed to secure each bracket to the spring nuts and skid plate using a 5/16 bolt, flat washer, and lock washer. With everything now loosely in place, ensure that the skid plate is positioned the way you want and centered on the truck. Once happy with the results, tighten all bolts. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your F-150 one-piece skid plate. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and our website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.